Okay, here we have multiplication, the long method of magic zero with a 3-digit multiplied by a 2-digit. In the previous video we showed you a simple basic one with 2 digits multiplied by 2 digits. For this video we have 724 times 32. Always write your columns, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. It makes it neat, you don't get confused, you know what you're doing. Choose 2 very different colors so that you may use, because I have 2 numbers at the bottom, so I'll use a red and a blue. What I'm going to do, we're going to work with our first back number being multiplied by all of these. I'm fanning it out as you can see. 2 times 4, the first arrow, 8. Second arrow, 2 times 2 is 4. Third arrow, 2 times 7 is 14. 4, and normally we'll carry over the 1. But now it's 1 plus nothing, so I bring it down. We're hopping on to the second digit, and it's in the tens column. Because it's in the tens column, I'm adding a 0 so I can start working from the tens column. And this is called a magic 0. Now we're going to go and first digit. 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 is written with a 1 and a 2. We write the back number. What happens to that 1? We carry it over, and if you can see, I'm using my red pen because I marked my digit with the red. So I worked with a 4, so I will carry over the 1 to the next digit. Now I'm going to work with these 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. And often kids forget to add it. That's why I have it in a color. So I know I'm busy with the red. I must not forget to add it. Now we go on to our third digit. 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. I write it down here and here. No, I went a bit out of my spacing. Sorry. Add up all of these digits. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6, 11, carry over. 3, 2. There we go. Write it out neat. Or if you have it on top, give your answer here. Let's do a 3-digit by a 3-digit example. Let's use 5, 6, 9 multiplied by 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm leaving some space because I'm going to be carrying over. So now I'll have space on the top for my carrying over. I'll go 5, 6, 9, 1, 2, 3, multiplication sign. Always draw your columns. Helps keeps things neat. You don't get mistaken when you're adding up. You know what numbers you're working with. If you're like me, we always love to label it. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Maybe we will go into 10,000s. Now because I'm working with 3, I'll choose 3 very different colors to mark out my numbers. I'll start with the orange on this one. 3 times 9 is the first one. It is 27. I use a color pen to carry over my 2 on the top. 3 times 6 is my next one with the arrow, so I know I'm done with that. 18. 3 times 6 is 18 plus a 2, 19, 20. 20, I write the back digit and I carry over the 2 here in my color pen. 3 times 5 is 15, plus a 2 is 17. So in actual fact, I'm going to be carrying over the 1, but it's 1 plus nothing, so I bring it down immediately. Now I'm going to my tens, and as we said, the tens will have a magic 0. I'm putting 1 0 there. So let's go with the first digit. It's our 2 we're busy working with, and the first digit is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Take my color pen, and using the color that I'm marking my arrows, so I know I must pay attention to the red and not the orange. The orange is now done. So that's 18. 2 times 6 is 12, plus the 1, don't forget, 13. Carry over the 1. Oops, forgot to do this. And now we're going to our third and last digit in the series. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So for the first time in the videos, you are having a third digit to multiply by. The same thing carries on over and over and over, whether you have 3, 4, 5. As you're going in the hundreds or the thousands, you'll fill up that space with a magic 0. Orange is too close. Let's use a dark color. So because we're in the hundreds, I'm filling up the space with 2 magic zeros now. Now don't forget, we're going to work with the first one, and now I'm paying attention to the blue. I'm ignoring the orange, I'm ignoring the red because that is done. 1 times 9 is 9. Second one, 1 times 6 is 6. Third one, 1 times 5 is 5. Add all of them up. 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 3 plus 9. So 7 plus 3 is 10. And that's 19. Carry over. Do not forget to carry over. That's 2, 3 plus 6 is 9. That's 6. Write your answer and underline it. 6, 9, 9, 8, 7. That's long multiplication, not a decomposition method. This is much more easier because in the decomposition method, kids tend to forget, are they working with the tens or the hundreds, and they leave out these zeros. The answer goes off when they add and they get it wrong. If you'll remember to do your columns and mark it out, you won't forget to add your zeros in as you're moving along. Most important, use color. Use color for every level of carrying over, and carry on adding those digits into your work.